jackpot prize is 10 million pesos net of the agent's prize commission. Sir, please press the button and let's play Lotto 642. Lotto fans, nakikita ninyo ang 42 draw balls numbered 1 to 42 na nasa loob ng draw machine. 6 na bola ang hintayin nating piliin for the official Lotto 642 winning combination. Kaya good luck, Lotto players! The first number is 20. Ingatan po ang Lotto tickets, bawal mabasa o mainitan yan. Tandaan, kailangang readable ng validating machine ang detalye ng winning ticket sa pag-claim ng premyo. The second number is 16. Huwag pong maniniwala sa mga nagsasabing mabibigyan kayo ng tip ng mananalong numero sa Lotto. Scam po yan. The third number is 42. Sakaling maka 4 winning numbers kayo sa Lotto 642, 1 million pesos ang paghahatiang papremyo ng lucky winners. The fourth number is 39. 1.1 million pesos naman ang paghahatian ng mga makakakuha ng 5 nanalong numero sa Lotto 642. Ang game na ito ay tuwing Martes, Huwebes at Sabado. The fifth number is 35. One more lucky number to complete our Lotto 642 winning combination. Sana kayo na ang susunod na maging Lotto Milyonaryo. And the sixth and final number is 9. Super Milyong Jackpot para sa inyo na kaya? Magkakaalaman na sa aming pagbabalik. Mga kalaro, it's time for the Super Million Jackpot. Wala tayong jackpot winner last Sunday, so tonight's Super Lotto Jackpot prize is 25,278,389 pesos and 75 centavos, net of the agent's prize commission. Once again, sir, please press that button and let's play Super Lotto 649. Super Lotto fans, kasalukuyang hinahalo ang 49 draw balls numbered 1 to 49 sa loob ng draw machine. We will be waiting for 6 lucky balls to complete our Super Million combination this Tuesday evening. The first number is 18. To our Lotto winners, you have 1 year to claim your prizes. At sa pagkuha ng panalo, huwag kalimutang magdala ng inyong 2 valid IDs. The second number is 16. Exciting din ang papremyo ng Super Lotto. 50 pesos ang panalo pag naswertehan ninyo ang 3 nanalong numero. The third number is 12. Sa mga makakakuha ng 4 super winning numbers, 1.2 million pesos ang paghahati ang papremyo. And to win, pwedeng rumble ang mga numero. The fourth number is 32. 1.3 million pesos naman ang paghahatian among players who got 5 winning numbers sa Super Lotto. This game is every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. The fifth number is 6. Isang number na lang at makukumpleto na ang Super Million combination. Tutok na po sa inyong mga ticket. And for the sixth and final number, we have 24. Huwag palampasin ang biggest catch of the night. We'll play for the Ultra Million Jackpot after this break. And we are back with the Ultra Million Jackpot. At dahil wala pa ring nanalo noong linggo, tonight's Ultra Jackpot prize is 218,885,620 pesos and 58 centavos, net of the agent's prize commission. Once again, sir, please press that button and let's play Ultra Lotto 658. Pilipinas Ultra Lotto draw na. This time, 58 draw balls numbered 1 to 58 ang nasa loob ng draw machine. Still, machine lang ang pipili ng 6 winning numbers. The first number is 43. Sa jackpot bearing games ng Lotto, paghahatian equal ang jackpot prize kung dalawa o higit pa ang jackpot winners. The second number is 44. Masaya ang manalo sa Ultra Lotto. Pag 3 winning numbers ang nakuha, panalo kagad kayo ng 100 piso. The third number is 19. Got 4 winning numbers sa Ultra Lotto. 1.4 million pesos ang paghahatian among the lucky winners. The fourth number is 36. At sa lahat ng makakakuha ng 5 nanalong numero sa Ultra Lotto, 1.5 million pesos ang paghahatian ninyo. The fifth number is 12. Sa mga hindi pa sumubok maglaro ng Lotto, try your luck na. Tickets are available sa authorized Lotto outlets nationwide. And the sixth and final number is 1. Congratulations, Lotto winners! Pero simula pa lang yan ng buhos ng papremyo.
More games and more prizes await you sa pagbabalik yan ng PCSO Lottery Draw. Maraming salamat po muna sa lahat ng bumili ng 6D Lotto tickets for tonight's draw. Ang net charity fund na malilikom ay ilalaan ng PCSO para sa mga programa ng Quezon Institute. Samantala, umabot na po sa over 7.1 million pesos ang 6D Lotto first prize na hindi pa rin napapanalunan as of our last draw. To win this, kailangan lang mag-match ang 6 numbers nyo in exact order sa winning combination. Good luck, 6D Lotto players! At narito na ang 6D Lotto winning combination. The first number is 1. For the second number, we have 9. The third number is 4. The fourth number, we have 6. The fifth number is 6. And the sixth and final number, we have 2. Isunod na natin ang papremyo ng tatlong masuswerteng numero. Let's now play the 9 p.m. edition of the 3D Lotto game. Dito naman sa 3D Lotto, ang 3 numbers nyo, panalo ng 4,500 pesos per 10 peso play kung mag-match sa mapipiling winning combination in exact order. 750 pesos or 1,500 pesos naman ang take-home prize sa Rambolito System Play. Thrice Lady ang 3D Lotto. That's every 2 p.m., 5 p.m., and 9 p.m. And here's the result of our 3D Lotto draw. The first number is 0. For the second number, we have 4. And the third number is 8. Recapping the 3D Lotto winning combination for the 9 p.m. draw, we have 0, 4, and 8 in exact order. Let's wrap up this day with a third wave of cash prizes from the lucky 2 numbers. So get ready to play the 2D Lotto. 2D Lotto fans, 4,000 pesos per 10 peso play ang panalo pag nag-match yung 2 numbers nyo sa ating winning combination in exact order. And if you win via the Rambolito System Play, 2,000 pesos ang maiuuwi ninyo. Reminder po sa ating Lotto winners, may 1 year kayo to claim your prizes. There you have it, our 2D Lotto winning combination. The first number is 29. And the second number, we have 6. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight's 2D Lotto winning numbers are 29 and 6 in exact order. Congratulations po sa mga nanalo.